Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily capture a screenshot on a Mac. There are three types of screenshot that you can capture. The first one is whole screen, the second one is a part of the screen, and the third one is a whole window, but not the whole screen. The first one is just Command Shift 3. Hit on them on your keyboard, then you can see that your screenshot has been taken. And after, you can either click on it to delete it or edit it, or just leave it as it is, and after a while it will be shown on your desktop, or if you've changed the default location of screenshots, then it will be in another place. Then for a part of the screen, click on Command Shift 4, and now draw the part of the screen that you want to capture, and you can see that the screenshot has been taken. And now I'm gonna show you the screenshot of a window. Let's open a window that we want to screenshot. So let's maybe open just Finder and go into the this page. And now to do that, click on the Command Shift 4 again, but now instead of selecting the area, click on space, then select the window that you want to capture. And now you can see that the window has been captured. These are the three ways of taking a screenshot. If you don't want to remember which one is which, then you can remember just one shortcut, which is Command Shift 5. And here you can select yourself that you want to capture entire screen, selected window, or selected portion. You can draw the portion, and then click on capture to capture it. And also you can go to options and change where to save the screenshot. And this is all about taking screenshots on a Mac. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.